Alright, I'm going to try to do a breakdown of my load here for anybody that's interested. Maybe nobody is. But anyways, I had a load from Ohio to California. It took me 4 days to get there. It was an open drone trailer. Horrible fuel mileage. Oh my gosh. I thought for sure I'd have better fuel mileage with that pig, but it was terrible. It was 2,622 and a half miles. I averaged 7.4 miles per gallon, and I averaged 55 miles per hour for the whole trip. My fuel costs on that load were 82 cents a mile on average, 0.8167. But my gross was $56.91. I made money. 4 days. That was good. I mean, it could have been better. Like, you know, get 10 miles per gallon. I honestly thought that trailer would get me 10 miles per gallon because it was just an open trailer. But I didn't take into consideration that huge box in the back of it. Excuse me. I'm out here in Henderson, Nevada on my way to deliver my next load. I'm not much of an editor. I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna try to put if I can figure it out, I'm gonna put a picture in right here. If you didn't see one, I'm just not that smart. But all in all, it was a good trip. You know, I was really hoping to be there no later than Thursday evening, and I actually made it Thursday morning. So, and there was a terrible, I wouldn't call it a headwind, but man, there was a heck of a wind coming southeast as I'm going west, so that didn't help things. So that's my rundown. I'm going to try to get better at these videos, see if it helps people. My name is Sean. I'm with Bennett Truck Transport. I'm in here for a month and a half, 2 months now. And I'll do a video on my truck here. Show you around it one of these days. But yeah, that's it for now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ask me questions if you want. That's it. Okay, little update. I did look through my phone and I forgot. I did take a bunch of videos, but the audio was so horrible, it wasn't worth saving. So I deleted all those videos because I wanted to make a really nice, like a 10-15 minute video walking you around the trailer, pointing it out, showing you different things on it. But I couldn't find my earbuds to act as a mic, and it was windy, and it was just, I didn't even want to watch it, so I know I wasn't going to put it out here on YouTube for you. So, but I'm going to get better. I'm going to take you around this fifth wheel that I've got here, and on my next video, see if that's any better. Thank you.